punto la ex. Tú sabes que me encojona que pregunten que pa' dónde voy si ya tú sabes.
No me cuestiones, no reclames ni tampoco me escondas la llave.
Que hoy voy a salir contigo sin ti. No me voy de aquí, no venga a joder.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this Hollywood inspired look. I got inspired by how a lot of people tend to kind of just go for softer on the eyes and bold on the lips for prom, which I've been seeing a lot on Instagram, and I've been seeing a lot of reds, and I felt like I didn't do a red for the other two looks that I did for prom, so I decided to do it on this one just because I feel like red stands out and it makes a statement even with like bold eyes, but I decided to do a little bit softer on the eyes and bolder on the lips to make that statement for prom. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'm using this foundation by Juvias. It's called I Am Magic Velvet Matte Foundation. I'm sorry this video is coming really late. It's been a crazy 2 weeks. So I'm sorry that this video is like 2 weeks late. But here we are. So the color that I'm using from the Juvias foundation is called Aruba in 510. It is a little darker on me, but I tend to use darker foundations. For those who know me, I use darker foundation, and we all know this, just because I like to look a little more tan. So now I'm prepping the eyes before I use the shadow that I'm going to use, the shadows that I'm going to be using. The palette that I kind of focus on, it's my everyday palette. It's by Tarte, and the palette's called Toasty. These are my everyday tones that I like to use. I'm more of a neutral person. I love neutrals. I love me some neutrals. So I'm going to be set the concealer before I start mixing my neutral tones, and I'm using translucent powder just to set my eyes. So then I'm going to be doing a little dance to step it and get into it. So I'm using the color Latte and Warm. These are the two, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. These are the two colors that I usually use a lot on my eyes for like an everyday look when I want nothing too crazy going on, and I mix them. So I use Latte first, and then I go and use Warmth all over my crease as well as Latte. Boom, there you go. There you have it. And I do use a smaller brush to apply Warmth, just because I kind of want it more all over my crease area. So my camera did die in the middle of me doing my eyes, so I did do in my lid a champagne color that I had as a sample. Didn't know the name, so I just put it on. And then I also use Cozy in my inner corners, just to make the eyes pop a little bit. And then I'm also using Cozy and Warm together and put it underneath my lash line, and of course my Brilliant and Sex mascara that I always use here and there. So yeah guys, this is the quick final look that I did today for you guys. So the color that I'm using on my lips is actually by Too Faced. It's called Lady Balls. It's just really like, I wouldn't say blue, it's more like a bright red. For all over the lips is a matte lip lipstick. And yeah guys, so I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I'm really sorry that I'm literally posting this so late, but everything that you could think of was happening during the last 2 weeks. So I will be posting my prom girls for this week coming up, and I just want to say thank you so much for all that you guys do, all your love and support. It never goes unnoticed. Thank you so much. And we will be back with a regular schedule soon. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like this video and give it a huge thumbs up, and let me know what you guys want to see next in my video. Bye.
Punto la ex. Tú sabes que me encojona que pregunten que pa' dónde voy si ya tú sabes.
No me cuestiones, no reclames ni tampoco me escondas la llave.
Que hoy voy a salir contigo sin ti. No me voy de aquí, no venga a joder. apagarle el cel y me voy pa' la calle, bebé.
No me pelees ni reclame. Siempre es una pelea o a picharte cada vez que llame. No hay discusión que tú no ganes. Si tengo un compromiso, busca cómo poder joderme los planes. No venga a montar presión más que esa mierda me abacora. Y voy pa' la calle a beber y de viral no tengo hora. Yo con mis panas y tú pensando que cambio de mujeres como cambio las canciones en Pandora. Si ya tú sabes, no sé por qué empiezas a preguntar. Como si fueras policía o una fiscal. Si es pa' joder no voy a contestar. Borracho y loco como enanitos verdes voy a terminar. El OG.
No venga a joder. Es lo mismo otra vez. Voy a apagarle el cel y me voy pa' la calle a beber. No venga a joder. Voy a apagarle el cel y me voy pa' la calle a beber.